How to compress video without losing quality. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now before starting, I have the two files right here. We have the original one. If I'm going to hover over here, you can see that the file size is 291 MB. Whereas the compressed one right here, if I'm going to hover over, you should be able to see that it's only 19.5 MB. Now I'm going to go ahead and open them for you guys in order for you to check the quality. This is the original one. I'm going to close it. I'm going to open the other one. All right, so this is the compressed file. As you can see, again, this is only 19.5 MB and there isn't any noticeable differences between them. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this done. All right, first things first, I just deleted the other one because we are going to start from the scratch. Now, go ahead and open any browser, and then from here, just go ahead and type Handbrake. After doing so, you should be able to see this one here, open source video transcoder. So go ahead and hit the downloads folder down here, and then you're going to go ahead and download the appropriate program for the OS that you are using. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. After doing so, you should be able to download it just like so. I have already downloaded mine. Actually, you can just go ahead and install it. It's going to be very simple. Now, say for example, you have already downloaded and installed this on your PC. What you can do from this point forward is just go ahead and click this one right here and then look for that particular video. Say for example, this one, again, 291 MB. I'm just going to open this one in here. We're just going to wait, and there you go. So first things first, under the preset, make sure that you have selected fast 1080p 30 FPS. So this is very important. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and optimize this one for the web. So I'm going to toggle this on. Format, we are going to choose MP4. And then we're going to go ahead to video. Now here in the video, I'm going to change the encoder because I have a graphics card. So I'm going to click this one. I'm going to go ahead and change this one to H.264 NVIDIA NVENC. After doing so, we have the frame rate here. So for frame rate, I'm going to change this one to 30 FPS constant frame rate. And yep, after that one, you can just go ahead and hit the browse here. And then we're going to go ahead and basically rename this one. So I'm going to go ahead and call this compressed file or compressed video, just like so. And then we're not going to touch anything in here anymore. So yep, just go ahead and hit start encode. And then we're just going to wait for this to be done. All right, seems like we are done. I'm just going to close this one. And then if I'm going to hover over here, it's now 20.8 MB, but basically it's not very much a lot. Now we're going to go ahead and click this one, and you can see that it is still of great quality. However, the size is now compressed to a little lower. And that is how you're going to compress video without losing quality.